So I'm going to talk to you about an AR app called Scavenger, which allows you to design, create and participate in scavenger hunts using augmented reality. So the scavenger hunt consists of checkpoints, which are superimposed into the user's surroundings, providing you with a compass and distances to guide the user to the next checkpoint. Each checkpoint presents a different message that you can design. So this can be information on where to go next, a multiple choice question, or one of the ones we've used in physical education is tasks, or fitness tasks. The user can choose where they play in their space, and you generally need an area about 4 by 4 meters or 8 by 8 meters to work in. So it would work in your school halls and it would work in your playgrounds and local outdoor areas. So some examples that you might use from physical education, particularly Key Stage 2, it's really good for orienteering, allowing the children to work individually or part of a team. And it would also be incorporated into a running activity, which could be either collaborative or competitive. Children in your upper Key Stage 2, it's a very usable app, so they could design their own scavenger hunts for the younger children perhaps, or other children in their class. And the ability to add multiple choice questions is really helpful. So it's quite good for across the curriculum in terms of understanding their knowledge that they have perhaps for science or geography or maths, depending on what topic you wanted to do, if you wanted to make it a little bit more active. So we tried one which was the theme of an exercise circuit. So basically, at each checkpoint, they're given an instruction to perform an exercise and then they move on to the next one. So a bit like circuits. And with a big enough space, you can run between these checkpoints so the amount of physical activity that you're doing is increased. You could also, like we did, we had questions on there about physical activity, so about why we warm up, different muscle groups or parts of the body. And final checkpoint, we thought we'd have a little bit of fun with the children, and we got them to select a GIF from a variety of the ones that they could pick to show how they felt after completing the task. What we have found is it's accessible to a range of learners, particularly with different needs. So the way in which they move is not dictated as long as the mobile device can be transported. You can choose the distance moved, and the action given or the task given at each checkpoint can be designed with the age, development and needs of the children in mind. So you'll find some helpful videos on the QR codes there as well.